Chopin would have loved the idea of the 60-second lecture. Like these lectures, his music embraces brevity. Often his music exploits the experience of time itself. Take the Minute Waltz. The nickname is not Chopin's. He hated descriptive titles. But the moniker nonetheless conveys something important. The work unfolds as if it lasted only a minute. What the stopwatch measures doesn't matter. We sense the birth and death of a musical world in a seeming instant. In this metaphorical minute, time bends. Bars and beats stretch, Chopin's rubato. The outer sections whirl by. The middle section sings. And to experience Chopin's minute is to embrace his time more generally, to regret the brevity of his life. He died at 39, but to celebrate the endurance of his music. Indeed, the worldwide celebrations of the bicentenary of his birth this year confirm that Chopin's time is not up, but mine is.